Hello student, let us see the one more problem based on pH. The pH of 10.10 normal, no 10 power minus 10 normal NaOH solution is nearest to 10, 7, 4, no minus 10. So dear student, we know that is, let us have a solution, that is OH minus ion concentration given by what base? Given by NaOH is how much, student? That is 10 power minus 10 molar. Again, that is OH minus ion, concentration. What is, student? Given by water. Given by water, how much is there, student? 10 power minus 7 molar. Okay, this 2 is there. Now, therefore, now what they are saying, total OH minus ion. Total OH minus ion is there 10 power minus 10 molar plus 10 power minus 7 molar. Okay, so how much the answer is coming, student? If you solve it out, so you take out the 10 power 7 common, right? So if you are taking out 10 power 7 minus, student, so it is coming 10 power minus 3 molar plus 1, right? And outside of the bracket it is coming 10 power minus 7, right, student? Now, student, what we can do, if you check out these values, so it is there nothing but, it is there nothing but its value will come 1 by 1000 molar plus 1, and power is 10 power minus 7. This, if you again solve it out, so it is coming 0 point, student, 001 molar plus 1 molar. This is also the capital M, student, and that is outside of bracket 10 power minus 7. Okay, now if you solve, student, 1.001 molar into 10 power minus 7 molar, so what the value is coming, what the value will come, student? If you check out, that is 1.001 into 10 power minus 7 capital M, right? So POH is equal to minus log, 1.001 into 10 power minus 7. So here is, dear student, if you are seeing the log, how, if you are solving this log value, this one, so log A into log B, log A into log B is, log A into B is there, sorry, log A into B, so that is coming log A plus log B. Okay, so you can see, student, log A plus log B. So that is, if you solve this out, student, so minus sign is there, and log 1.001 plus, this is the log we can write here, student, this is the minus is there, log 10 power minus 7. Okay, if you solve this out, so this will come, what is the, let us have the look over it, minus log 1.001, and in another bracket minus 7 log 10, minus 7 log 10. So okay, this is the square bracket, student. We are supposed to understand the negative sign, and here it is the plus is there. So this plus will not be there, student. Why this plus will not be there? Because this is the negative sign, so it will come here, so it will be also negative. Now if you are solving this, so let us have, that is minus log 1.001 and minus minus plus 7 and log 10 value 1. So this uh, minus log this value we have to calculate, and 7 is there. So we know log, if you are solving 1.001, it is there student, its value is coming 0.0004. So it is value minus 0.004 plus 7. Okay, so how much it is coming student? It is coming 6.996. So pH is equal to 14 minus 14 minus how, what is student? POH, because these are the coming what? POH. So that is 14 minus 6.996. So it is 7.004. This is the pH. Okay, this is our required answers. Thank you so much for watching, dear students. You can check it out, the answers. 7, this is the B number answer is correct. You need to solve 1 2 time more student to get this question.